Okay, so basically, I think I'm not the typical guest that you normally have on your show and all that. So I am a journalist. By core, I am a journalist. So becoming an entrepreneur is a very long journey. So it's like a journey over 25 plus years and all that. So I started off as a journalist. I actually started my um, um, say the profession jumped into was in Pakistan when I was a student. So I started off working part time kind of for the English newspaper in Pakistan. So that's where I started my actual work. Then when I moved to the UAE, I was associated with the Khalij Times, and I worked with them on different positions. I grew over the years for almost 20 years. So 19 and a half years, I worked with Khalij Times. So until 2019. And then after 2019, it was a very different kind of scenario, the whole workplace had shifted, COVID had come in, so things were like really different. So then I was writing for The National, I was writing for Arab News Pakistan edition, and I was actually freelancing for almost 10 kind of publications around the world. So it was a very connected kind of world and all that. Then in between, I took a jump to corporate world and I did communications. So this is when I kind of realized that I think the corporate world is nice and I learned a lot of things from there, that intensity that a corporate job requires from you and the focus that is needed. So I learned so much because as journalists, we have a very tunnel vision, we wake up in the morning, we say, okay, we need to chase a story, let's go speak to a few people or maybe attend an event, come back and file our story, and we are chasing stories and we are dreaming about stories, literally, I'm telling you that what are we going to work on tomorrow and all that. So we have a very tunnel vision and we don't really go broad. But corporate showed me that there was so much more happening. So that is where I think was the seed was planted on there is something I need to do. I need to go back to journalism, but not to work for someone, but to do something of my own, which so that is how I came to think about the idea of the Gulf Pulse. And I started working on which topic would work best for the UAE and what is actually happening on ground and how I can make a difference. So right now, also, if you ask me for the past actual work, I mean, the website went live in September of 2025. So, but the work was being done a lot before, it actually went live and all. So, all that time, I think I have been on a learning journey. I was never an entrepreneur, but I think I'm not doing bad. I'm doing okay in that. So, yeah, that is just a very brief kind of a journey that I mentioned on how I reached here. It just looked like a very natural kind of from where I started to where it's coming back, but at a different level and a different role.